Can't you just see yourself walking to this lake and just standing by it and just listening to that water fountain just make that beautiful noise? Well, the good thing is that this lake is close to a house that we have on evening wind. You see behind me, they also have this big water park. I think it's Diamond Evening Bay. They got a park. They even have a volleyball. They even have a volleyball court, sand court. It's like in walking distance to the house that we're selling on evening wind. So I just compelled to do this quick video so you can just hear how peaceful that water sounds. Beautiful.